And so at the end of it, everything, we said, okay, now go back home. And she understood that she has to help him to heal himself. And just before leaving, she says to him, guarantee karo, iske baad kabhi nahi hoga aisa. He said so sweetly, he said, honestly, I never want to do it. But I don't know what happens to me at that time. But I promise you, I'm really going to try. She said, try nahi chalega. Guarantee karo ke phir se nahi hone wala hai. And while she was talking that entire conversation, she had been crying quite a lot. So I said, sister, aap guarantee karo, aap aaj ke baad kabhi nahi roge. She said, main try karungi. It's very easy to tell other people to change. Very easy to say, change karo. Because why? The sanskar which we don't carry, we feel it's so easy to change. Change. To change a sanskar, we only need love, care and support. That will strengthen the soul and the soul will change their sanskar. तो अगर अपने लिए try है, तो उनके लिए भी. So we have to help each other to gradually change their sanskars. But that will only happen when we accept their existing sanskar. तो इस फ्लावर को क्या करना है? इस फ्लावर को क्या करना है? इसको मुरझाने नहीं देना. ये फ्लावर वो रिश्ता है जो हमारे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है, लेकिन हमारी एनर्जी उस रिश्ते को क्या करती जा रही है? और हमारी ही एनर्जी उस रिश्ते को क्या कर सकती है? वापस किसी से दवाई लेने नहीं जाना. Which means we don't need to go to anybody about what I need to do to my relationships. We can do it just by creating a shift here. So we shift from expectations is normal to what is normal? Acceptance is normal. Every day, just do it for 1 month and see. Every day, make this the mantra of your life. I accept each one as they are. I accept each one as they are. Let that be the first thought of your morning. We are creating a new programming here. And the easiest thing to do before we change their sanskar, the easiest thing to do is to change our sanskar. When we create expectations, the second thing we create is hurt. Any name on the screen of your mind saying they hurt me? Anyone's ever hurt you? Anyone wants to say what they did which hurt you? एक लाइन में क्या किया उन्होंने ऐसा जो हर्ट हो गया? अच्छा बस उतना ही. They did not do the things the way I wanted them to do it. अच्छा. How could they do this to me? Right, है ना? Just don't love me. They don't know how to respect me. This is how I start talking. आपको ये right नहीं लग रही मेरी बातें? That means you also don't love me. जो लोग हमारी साइड नहीं लेते ना, हमें वो अच्छे नहीं लगते लोग बिल्कुल भी. And why do you feel I'm wrong in believing that they disrespected me? Is all this making sense? Yes? And we will not see this sense because we are so held up with our own pain and hurt inside that we will never even think that they had a reason for what they did. Because the wound is created because I believed is a belief system on my CD. And the minute somebody did what I believed was disrespect, I said, you hurt me. So who hurt me? Who hurt me? It is what I spoke to myself after they did what they did. So who created the hurt for me? Who created the hurt for me? So who hurt me? Who hurt me? What is that one name who hurt me? आपकी लिस्ट छोटी हो गई अब. People will only do what they feel is right. We are not saying that what they feel is right for me. It may not be. See, the easiest way, if people are moving away from you in relationships, radiate so much love and respect कि वो वापस आ जाएंगे इस तरह से. वापस आ गए. And यही अगर हम यहाँ से बैठकर heavy energy भेज देते, they don't love me, they don't respect me, they don't love me, they don't respect me, अगर वो वापस आना भी चाहते तो भी वो बहुत दूर चले जाते. Who hurts me? Who hurts me? Who hurts me? The way I think after they do what they do. The whole world may not be my way. Nobody in my relationships will be my way. But if only I can talk nicely to myself, I will never create pain. People can cheat me, people can betray me, people can hit me, people can physically abuse me, but nobody can emotionally hurt me. Who can hurt me? यहाँ अंदर कोई नहीं घुस सकता, बाहर सब कुछ कर सकते हैं वो. Me, this is a victim who's living their life like this, saying, give me love, give me respect. I hurt myself, and I need to say sorry to myself for all the pain that I have caused in so many years. And now there's only one person who can heal me, and that's me. And how will I do that? By thinking right and being nice to myself, even when people are not being nice to me. एक सीक्रेट अपने साथ आज लेकर जाना. Even if everyone is nice to you, if you don't think right, you'll never be happy. And if no one is nice to you and you think right, you will always be happy. तो पावर किसके पास है? पावर किसके पास है? हमारे पास है. Their right and my right may not match. May never match. May never match. But I need to know how to think when they do what they do. People around us will be with their sanskars. Don't get sucked into their weakness. Pull them into our peace and positivity by just sending those pure thoughts. We need to start creating compassion for emotional illnesses. Emotional illnesses कौन सी होती है? Emotional illness, anger. 2, irritation. 2, 3, jealousy. 4, hurt. 5, fear. 6, doubt. 7, stress. 8, worry. These are all illnesses that don't allow a person to be normal. But when somebody is going through that emotional illness, we don't question, how can you be like this? We radiate. Because we started questioning each other's emotional pain, we got sucked into each other's pain, and we caught the infection of the other person's illness, and we were in more pain than what they were. Emotional immunity systems will need to build up now. It's not relationships which are getting complicated. It is people who are in the relationships who are not nurturing themselves, not strengthening themselves on a daily basis, are finding simple things difficult. And if I start nourishing myself on a daily basis, within a month or 2 months, it won't even take that much time, but within a month or 2 months, you are going to say, acceptance is absolutely the natural way to be. After all, we are human beings. We are human beings. So human beings know that everybody is going to be Human beings know that everybody is going to be different, and so we know that acceptance is the normal way to be. But to accept other people, I have to be charged. If I'm depleted, I need people to be my way. If I'm weak, I need the world to be my way. If I'm strong, I allow the world to be their way, because I take personal guarantee. Be who you want to be, because I am emotionally independent. I will not get affected by what you do and how you behave. That's the personal guarantee we have to create. And when we do that, we will remain healed. And most important, when we remain healed, our love, our respect, our blessings to them will heal them. You cannot give a bigger gift than that to your family.